Bullish smooth love elixir cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 3 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept SLP could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish smooth love mixture market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Smooth love mixture presentation. With regards to play to procure games, Axie vastness captures everyone's attention. As the primary NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to acquire on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, yet it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT blast. Axie Boundlessness was the previous summer's star convention, cresting at close to a portion of 1 million everyday dynamic clients. Axie Boundlessness is an NFT-upheld play-to-procure blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its biological system, Smooth Love Elixirs and Axie Vastness Shards. Fundamentally, SLPs are procured by playing the game. In the meantime, AX is an administration token that enables holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository finances spending. Before we assess in the event that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll carefully describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie Boundlessness environment. Also, we will cover the variables influencing the cost of SLP and what's to come plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie Limitlessness? Axie Vastness advocate the play-to-procure ongoing interaction model wherein players are compensated by just investing energy playing the game. Besides, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, acquire from it, or use it for interactivity. This isolates Axie Vastness from the vast majority of the present conventional close-circled games, where advanced things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the hindrance to section was too high on the grounds that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was cosmic. In the interim, there are financial backers and business visionaries who can without much of a stretch shell out the assets expected to purchase axies yet don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole moved the grant and organization programs. Through an Axie grant, the director or society purchases or gives the 3 axies that the player will use to play the game and acquire SLP. They expect all the gamble to loan 3 axies to the new player. In return, they procure a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to procure an Axie endlessness permit their backers to receive a portion of the benefit. About Smooth Love Mixture, Axie Boundlessness in-game money. Fundamentally, SLP is the in-game cash at the focal point of Axie Limitlessness environment. Each time a player wins a duel, they are compensated in $SLP. It has no cap and is utilized to raise new axies. The game consumes SLP each time players breed axies. Players breed to create posterity with exceptional capacities that make them all the more remarkable. They can likewise hold back nothing that are alluring to different gatherers. In Axie Vastness, the pay commonly comes as Smooth Love Mixture. Players need to finish and enter missions, field mode and experience mode to procure SLPs. The day-to-day mission rewards used to be 50 SLP, yet during the send-off of the 20th Sirius season, Sky Mavis reported a significant monetary change to procuring SLP. Basically, players will never again procure SLP in everyday journeys and experience mode. However, they can acquire more through serious PvP. SLP profit will presently be actually divided, with extra rewards just accessible in the higher cutthroat level. Sky Mavis additionally decreased the everyday furthest reaches of SLP acquired in PvE from 100 to 50. Before this change, players procured a sum of 75 SLP each day by playing experience mode and by clearing the everyday journey. In any case, SLP compensations in PvP currently increment at a quicker rate as you climb the competitor list. Smooth Love Mixture current cost. Smooth Love Mixture is right now worth $0. SLP has moved 0.55% as of now with an exchanging volume of $11,117,967. Smooth Love Mixture is right now positioned 155 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $138,509,799 USD. Right now, Sky Mavis is caught up with restoring its picture and tending to the hack that tormented its framework and thusly, Axie Limitlessness. It is currently offering a bug abundance to recognize any weaknesses in its savvy agreements or web-related frameworks. Likewise, white-cap programmers will get somewhere in the range of $1,000 and $1 relying upon the seriousness of every weakness found. In the meantime, bugs in the application or web connection points will be compensated with $50 $15,000. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2022. Smooth Love Mixture, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The SLP cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Smooth Love Mixture SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the SLP's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 1 cent and SLP might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of $0 2024. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Smooth Love Elixir effectively supports market feeling among digital money aficionados, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2025. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2026, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SLP has a greatest value worth of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 2 cents. In the event that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 2 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help SLP needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2028. While SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 2 cents and a yearly cost close above 2 cents in 2028. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Smooth Love Mixture will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 2 cents. Averaging out at 2 cents. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure